If Lightroom is showing error 102, don't worry. This is usually caused by a cloud sync issue, a login problem, or a network block. And in this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. Keep watching, because the solution is often much simpler than it looks. And if this helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. First, check your internet connection. Open a few websites and make sure your connection is actually stable. If things seem slow or broken, switch from Wi-Fi to a mobile hotspot, or try another network altogether. Sometimes Lightroom can connect to the internet normally, but Adobe servers may still be blocked by your current connection. Next, disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. A VPN can often interfere with Adobe sign-in and cloud syncing, which can trigger error 102. Turn it off completely, then restart Lightroom and see if the error clears. Now let's refresh the sync. In Lightroom Desktop, look for the cloud icon in the top right corner. Click it, choose Pause Sync, wait a few seconds, and then click Resume Sync. This can force Lightroom to reconnect properly and resolve temporary sync glitches. If that does not work, sign out and sign back in. Open Creative Cloud, click your profile, and choose Sign Out. Then close everything, restart your PC, open Creative Cloud again, and sign in with your Adobe account. After that, launch Lightroom and check whether error 102 is gone. A fresh sign-in often fixes account and authentication problems. If the issue is still there, clear the Adobe cache. On Windows, go to c/users/yourname/appdata/local/adobe/oobe and delete that folder's contents. This step is important because corrupted cache files can keep Adobe apps stuck on login or sync errors. After deleting the cache, reopen Creative Cloud, sign in again, and then relaunch Lightroom. You should also make sure Lightroom is fully updated. Install the latest 2026 version from Creative Cloud because older builds can run into compatibility or server connection problems. Updating the app can fix bugs that cause error 102 in the first place. As a final test, temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus and check Lightroom again. Security software can sometimes block Adobe servers, which stops syncing and login from working correctly. If the error disappears, you'll know the issue is being caused by a security block, and you can add Adobe as an exception instead of leaving protection off. So to quickly recap, check your internet, disable VPN or proxy, pause and resume sync, sign out and sign back in, clear the Adobe OOBE cache, update Lightroom, and test your firewall or antivirus. One of these steps almost always fixes Lightroom error 102. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more Lightroom troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.